Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to show you guys what I got today. So, just to let you know, this is the Xiaomi Pad 5. So today, I'm gonna do the unboxings of this Xiaomi Pad 5. This is the Xiaomi Pad 5, the global version. So I can't wait to do the unboxings to show you guys what's inside the box. But before jumping into the unboxings of this Xiaomi Pad 5, I also would like you to know as well, when I bought this one in my country, I got these gift bundles. As you can see what's in front of me. First of all, this one, Mi Explorer Innovation for Everyone. I'm not sure how soft it is, but not too bad. Look at this. It's nice and soft. Yes. Maybe I can put it behind my back. The second one is, what is this? This is the Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic 2, and this one costs about $20. Yes, it's a nice gift. Of course, it's free. Yeah, when I bought this one, I got this one free. I'm not sure if this is available when you buy the Xiaomi Pad 5 in your country, but luckily I got all of these bundles. So I'm gonna make a separate video about these earbuds, the Basic 2 here. So I will let you guys know whether this one is worth the price as well as the quality. Yep. Let's take this one aside. The next item is this big box. Let's check it out. And if you look at this one, they mention it innovation for everyone. Gift only. So for me fans only, right? So now let's check it out what's inside this big box. It's not really heavy, so don't expect much from the box. But not too bad. Okay, so inside this box, let me show you what is that. This is something that you can put at the back of your phone, and then you can hold your phone like this, or you can actually put your phone on the table with any posture you like. Yes. The next item is this one, the Bluetooth speaker. There's a button switch on and off, but I'm not sure about the quality of this one because there's no battery inside. I mean, it's out of battery. So I will do another review if you like to know if this is worth the gift. I mean, the gift. Just let me know in the comment down below. Let's put this one aside. And the fan. It's funny, yes. The switch off and on button over here with the Apple icon or the Apple logo. Xiaomi, you make fun of Apple. Hey, now it's the time to check out what's inside this Xiaomi Pad 5. Let's do it now. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I bought this one in my country. Not only the gift I included, but also there's stamps over here. So I will zoom it in so that you guys can see what the stamp look like. So the stamp here represent the authorized dealers. So I'm not quite sure if the one you're going to buy or the one you already have this kind of sticker on the box. If you buy online, you're not gonna get this. With this, you will get a 1-year warranty on this device. Okay, so now let's get inside the box. Wow, this is the device. So on the device, you can see the plastic here with the main specification of this device. So Xiaomi Pad 5. So let me read out the main specification of this device on this plastic. Quad HD plus 120Hz display, Dolby Vision supported, immersive quad stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos supported, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 7nm high performance processor up to 2.96 GHz. And the last one is the battery. So the battery is the main thing that make this device stand out. So it comes with 8720 milliamp battery. This is amazing. And It is also included, it also mentioned here, the 22.5 watt in-box charger. So not only the device is included, yes, you can also get something else, a charger. So let's take out, what is this? Yeah, only the manuals, quick start guide, warranty card. Next, and this is the last box you will get inside this box. So as mentioned, this is the charging brick. This is the USB Type-C to charge this device. Okay, now it's time to test this device a little bit and to see what it's like. This is the Xiaomi Pad 5, the global version. I bought this one in cosmic gray. This device comes with IPS LCD with 1 billion colors with 11-inch display. What makes the screen of this device even more incredible is its screen refresh rate. It is equipped with 120 Hz, which is really fast when browsing through anything or gaming. This screen also supports the latest technology, the HDR10 with Dolby Vision. The resolution of this Pad 5 is 1600 by 2560 pixels with 274 ppi density. This device is powered by Android 11, MIUI 12.5. It runs on chip Snapdragon 867nm. Unfortunately, there is no SD card slot built in, so you have to think carefully of what storage you need before deciding to buy this device. If not, you're gonna regret it. There are two different storage options, the 128GB and the 256GB. The price range between the two is just $50 different. This Mi Pad 5 comes with 4 different speakers with Dolby Vision Atmos experience, the highest quality sound you can experience in the cinema. As you can see, there are 2 speakers on the top and the rest at the bottom. This will make your watching experience even more like what you get in the cinema. Besides, on the top there is a switch on and off button and a volume button on the top right side of this device. Below that is a charging spot for the pen. Unfortunately, this device does not come with a fingerprint scanner, so you need to use a passcode or a lock pattern for security purposes. On the other side of this Pad 5, you can see the 3 pins here, which are used to attach to the keyboard. I will make a separate video talking about the keyboard and the pen. On the bottom, there is a USB Type-C port in between the 2 speakers. This port supports 33 watts fast charging. For your information, I spent about 1 hour and a half to get 100% fully charged from 30%. So the full capacity from 0% to 100%, I think it would need about 2 hours. Talking about the battery, this tablet is equipped with 8720 mAh. Basically, I can use this tablet up to 2 or 3 days with a single charge. Last but not least, let's talk about the camera. This tablet comes with 13 megapixel at the back with f2.0, and it supports video recording up to 1080 with 30 frames per second. While the front camera is 8 megapixels and supports the video recording up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. How about the price of this device? Well, I got this device at $449 with 256GB of storage. This price is only for the tablet, not including the keyboard and the pen. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you're gonna buy this one or not, and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, don't forget to do so, because more video reviews about this gadget coming out soon. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.